How to add and invite friends in CS2. So first what you want to do is just simply click on the add friend button here on the top right. Then there will be an option to input your friend's user code, and to find their user code, you just simply need to go to this same interface, then hover to the copier code, and they will see their own user code there. They can copy it and send it to you, or you could copy your own, then send it to them. And once that's done, just simply input it right here and the profile will be seen. And if you hover to it, you will see an add friend option right there. So since this is my profile, I won't see a option, but if it's your friend's profile, there will be an option to add them right there. And once that's done, and once you have added them, they will be seen here on your friend list. And if you want to invite them, you just simply need to hover to their profile right here, click on it, then there will be an invite friend to play option right there. And that is basically it.